Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unboxing for October. This is what the bag looks like. Has a little mask and like some flowers imprinted into it. It's kind of interesting. Who said nights were for sleep? Ooh, this is cool. Got this little brush. I'll go ahead and open it. This is really pretty. It has this purple glitter, some little green rhinestones up here. It's just a little blending brush. I like that a lot. Also have from Tarte, this is Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Double Duty Beauty. Also have Take Home the Bronze. I get a lot of bronzer, even though I say I don't use that product whenever I review it. I still always get it, so. Got one of those from the Balm Company. I always love their packaging. It's always super fun. And it has a little magnetic closure. Then we have some dry texturizing spray. I get a lot of this too, but that's okay because I could always use that. And the very last item, Nomad Stockholm. This says it's high pigment velvety eyeshadow with cosmic pearls. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Comes in this cute little container. And that is what it looks like. That's actually really pretty. I'll probably use that. A lot of the times I don't use the eyeshadow samples just because I have so many eyeshadow palettes, but this is a good size and it's really pretty color. And it's not like overly pigmented, but yeah, it says velvety. It's very velvety and soft. So that's what I got. All pretty good products this month. I will use everything except for probably the bronzer because I just don't use that stuff. But I will definitely give it to a friend or family member. If you guys are interested in Ipsy, I will put all their information below in case you want to sign up. And if you want to see past boxes, I have a playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.